Learn English with Hania Amir.
Yeah, I think just not much, just experiences have shaped me.
Shaped me meaning influenced and developed my character, personality, or life direction. Example, my father's advice shaped me into the person I am today.
I'm still kind of the same person. I still jump into things without thinking about them too much.
Jump into things meaning start something quickly without much thought or careful planning. Example, she tends to jump into things without considering the consequences.
And more people started recognizing me. The followers on Instagram went insane. The video,
Insane meaning extremely crazy, unreasonable, or out of control in behavior. Example, the crowd went insane with excitement when the band arrived.
you don't need to get caught up in the noise of it, but just have to focus on the craft and be humble enough to accept and understand that these.
Humble meaning being modest, respectful, and not thinking you're better than others. Example, despite his success, he remains humble and always helps others.
That time I was being told to be slightly sober up yourself, like
Sober meaning not drunk, serious, calm, and thinking clearly without exaggeration. Example, after the accident, he gave a sober account of events.
can with a strong mentality, strong mental health, you can always shut that noise down.
Shut that noise meaning stop or silence something disruptive, annoying, or unnecessary immediately. Example, the manager told them to shut that noise down during the meeting.
And I have put myself out there, so they will have opinions. Of course, they shouldn't be harsh. And
Harsh meaning unkind, severe, or rough in treatment, conditions, or criticism. Example, his teacher's harsh words made him feel discouraged.
for something, the first 50 will be really nice. I'll have to dive in to find something really bad.
Dive meaning start doing something eagerly and with full focus or effort. Example, she decided to dive in and tackle the project immediately.
Why do I have to box myself and be like, hey, I'm an actor, so I cannot be honest on social media.
Box myself meaning limit or restrict myself by staying in my comfort zone. Example, I don't want to box myself into one career path.
And also be a teacher. Why do you have to box yourself up?
Box yourself up meaning isolate or restrict yourself emotionally, mentally, or physically. Example, don't box yourself up. Share your feelings with someone you trust.
Especially when we're in such an industry which is so volatile, and it makes you volatile as well.
Volatile meaning likely to change quickly, unpredictably, or become dangerous. Example, the situation became volatile after the sudden announcement.
I kind of use it to just cut through the facade of it all.
Meaning a false appearance or disguise that hides true feelings or intentions. Example, she put on off happiness, hiding her sadness.
Know the remedies that are available, and it's such a social taboo to talk about mental health.
Taboo meaning a social or cultural restriction on certain behaviors or topics. Example, talking about money is considered a taboo in some cultures.
It's actually none of your business.
None of your business meaning something that doesn't concern you or is not your responsibility. Example, why are you asking about my personal life? It's none of your business.